Hey, quick question. Have you ever hit the end of your day and thought, what did I even do today? Like you were busy but not really living. Yeah, I felt that too for way too long. For a while, I was just going through the motions, wake up, scroll on TikTok for 45 minutes, work, eat, scroll again, sleep. Same routine every single day. It wasn't even bad. I wasn't miserable or anything, but I also wasn't present. I wasn't alive. And the worst part is I didn't even notice because autopilot is sneaky. It makes you feel like you're doing something while your actual life is passing by in the background. For me, the switch flipped on a random Tuesday. I was halfway through lunch at work, eating while replying to DMs and messages, and I literally stopped and thought, wait, when was the last time I did something just for me? Not for work, not for the algorithm, just for life. That question hit me hard. So then came the deal that I made with myself. Nothing crazy, just small changes. I don't check my phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. I step outside every morning, even for 5 minutes. I started asking myself, what does the best version of me need today? And not what I do feel like, and not what I do feel like doing, but what will make me proud later. And you know what? My life didn't suddenly become magical, but I started to feel small changes. And honestly, for me, that was enough. Now, you don't need to fix everything. This isn't about hustling harder or building the perfect routine. Perfect routines do not exist. It's about noticing your life, being in it. Because real change, it doesn't happen when you move faster. It happens when you move with purpose. So this is my advice to you. If you be feeling stuck or numb or feel like just life passes through you, try pressing pause even for just a minute. Ask yourself, what would it look like if I started living on purpose? You don't need to change your whole life. You just need to start showing up for it and being there. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.